It's been very hot for the past few days, and all I was craving was for some dal rice. So I made this khatti coconut dal, and I'm gonna share the recipe with you. This turned out so good. So I washed 1 cup of red masoor ki dal and half cup of yellow moong dal. Added some turmeric and water in it, and I pressure cooked it in my instant pot for about 13 minutes. Then take some oil, add some minced garlic to it and some cumin seeds. Fry it for a few seconds. Add all the spices that are listed on the screen in the oil and fry it for a few seconds along with a splash of water so you don't burn them. Add some chopped tomatoes and add some kasuri methi and salt. Fry this until the masala is looks like this. Then add a quarter cup of tamarind pulp. Add the cooked dal in it and add the coconut milk in it. Then cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes. Add some freshly chopped coriander or cilantro, add some green chilies and garam masala, cover it, simmer it for 5 minutes, and it's ready. This is so good on its own with some lemon juice and some salad, but I made Tadka rice to go with it. Tadka rice recipe is already shared many times on my YouTube and on my Instagram. Enjoy this with some salad. Thank you.